Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is the first problem from exercise 2.4 page number 36. Problem goes like this. Verify that the numbers given alongside of the cubic polynomials below are their zeros. Also, verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients in each case. So, the first case here is you're given with the polynomial, cubic polynomial. So, it's a cubic polynomial means degree is 3. So, you'll have 3 zeros. So, we need to verify whether the given 3 numbers are the zeros of the given polynomial or not, and then we have to verify the relationship. So let us check whether the given 3 numbers are polynomials or not first. So let us take the given polynomial as p of x, 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2, right? So the first 0, what they are telling is x is equal to 1 by 2. So substitute wherever x is there, just put 1 by 2. So I am writing p of 1 by 2, 2 into, in place of x I am writing 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 2. So this will be what? 2 into 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. So this is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 here, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 5 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 2 here, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 by 2, 5 by 2 and 5 by 2 will get cancelled. 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2, so which is nothing but 0. So next, that is p is equal to, x is equal to 1 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial given here. Now let us check for the second number p of 1. Wherever x is there in the given polynomial, write 1 here. So 2 into 1 whole cube plus 1 whole square minus 5 into 1 plus 2. So this will be 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 2. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 5, 0. So again, 1 is also the 0 of the given cubic polynomial. Next is minus 2. Let us verify. 2 multiplied by minus 2 whole cube plus minus 2 whole square minus 5 multiplied by minus 2 here plus 2. Now simplify. 2 here, minus 2 whole cube means minus 8 plus minus 2 whole square is 4, minus of minus plus 10 plus 2 here. So 2 into 8, 16. So minus 16 plus 4 plus 2, 6 plus 10, 16. So this is 0. So again, minus 2 is also the 0 of the given polynomial. So verified here. The given numbers 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2 all are the zeros of the given polynomial. Now let us verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients in this case. So given cubic polynomial will compare with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the standard form of cubic polynomial. Then we'll get here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 5 and d is equal to 2. The given zeros here we have verified. Let us call the 3 zeros here as alpha is equal to 1 by 2, beta is equal to 1 and gamma is equal to minus 2. Now we'll see the relationships here. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. This is the first condition. So relationship we have that I will check it out here. 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 here is equal to minus b by a minus here 1 by 2. B is 1 and a is 2. So 3 by 2 minus 2, that is nothing but 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So the first relationship verified. Second relationship here is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to C by A. Let us substitute alpha beta 1 by 2 into 1. Here alpha is 1 by 2 and beta is 1. 1 by 2 into 1, that I am writing it as here 1 by 2, plus beta is 1 and gamma is minus 2, that I can write it as 1 into minus 2 minus 2, plus gamma into alpha minus 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 here is equal to C is minus 5 divided by A is 2. Again, we'll verify here 1 by 2 minus 3, which is nothing but take LCM 1 minus 6, so minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 and minus 5 by 2 here verified. Then the third relationship is alpha beta gamma is equal to minus D by A. Multiply all the three zeros here, 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2. So this will get cancelled. Here it is minus 1 minus D by A. Minus D means minus 2 divided by A is 2. Again, this is also equal to minus 1, right? So this is also verified. Now the relationship between zeros and the coefficients of the given cubic polynomials are verified. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.